Good evening, everybody. I have a quick question for you guys. Are you ready for the wedding? One more time. Are you ready for the wedding? So I like to hear.
Remember the first time we met, something shifted inside me that day. You made me feel different in a way I couldn't put into words. You were attentive, caring, and charismatic. You asked me questions about myself that showed me you were genuinely interested, and the interest made me feel truly seen. I knew right away that you were different, and I was drawn to you from that moment.
JP, a few years ago we super matched on Hinge, and I'm forever grateful that swipe led me to my permanent wedding date.
Jake and Sammy, it is the start of your journey. The beginning of a timeless love story in which the two of you will spend the rest of your lives riding together. Do you take Sammy Holmes to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you, Sammy Holmes, take Jacob Palacios to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Of course I do.
I want to be the husband you always wished for and always deserved. I vow to be your biggest supporter, your partner in every dream, and your best friend through every season of our lives. Today, before our friends and family, I make these vows. I will love you endlessly, respect you always, and cherish every moment we share. I choose you for every day for the rest of my life.
Sammy, thank you so much for marrying my brother. What I've gotten to know about this amazing, beautiful, confident, kind woman has got me so excited to see y'all's children and watch them grow and become who they are gonna be, because the example that they give is everything, right? And just keep that in mind. And I'm excited about it because I see it and I'm confident in y'all as human beings.
Fast forward to now, they've built an incredible life together with their precious daughter, Savannah. I'm just grateful to witness y'all's love story, and I'm honored to be able to stand by your side today as well. And if you are a fan of the show Friends, like Sammy, then I want you to raise your glass. We're gonna toast to the one where Sammy and Jacob get married and live happily ever after.
This weekend would not have happened and been so amazing so far without all of you guys, and we are so blessed to have you a part of our lives. But let's go, let's party, let's have a good time.
You are my better half, my perfect opposite. You are my calm when I am chaos. You are relaxed when I am nervous, and patient when I am anxious. So today I make you these promises. I promise to love you not only when life is easy and full of laughter, but also in the hard times and through tears. I promise to be your constant support, your biggest fan, and your partner in everything we do. I promise Savannah will always know how completely obsessed I am with you, and that she will see us in the kind of relationship she will one day want for herself. I can't wait to keep building our legacy, growing our family, and living a life full of adventure together. I'm all yours, you're all mine.
by the power vested in me by the state of Texas and God Almighty, it is my great joy and honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Jacob and Sammi Palacios.
Can I sit next to you?